Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something good is coming out of Windows also for the install phase of Windows. So, of course, for a long time, when you installed Windows from scratch, the default folder, the user name or the name of the folder for the default install of everything in your personal files was a name that came out of either an email or the name that you gave the computer. And of course, it didn't always work very well with long names and bizarre emails. It made these user folders names weird. And of course, one of the most requested features was a simple way during setup to have Windows, you know, ask you for what name you want to have. So now it's tested in the insider rings. We'll be eventually going out to the regular Windows 11 install phase. You'll be able to give it a device name, which is already here, but you will have a separate place where it's going to be. Use what user folder name you want, and you will be able to name it yourself. Of course, you'll have to follow the convention of the naming system, but at least now you can name it the way you want. And for a lot of people, this might actually be very short, especially for those that use the command prompt and things like that. It'll be maybe interesting to use very short names. So, anyways, this is definitely a good idea. I think Microsoft is going in the right direction. This should have been a long, long time ago. But, well, better late than ever, as they say. So this is arriving to beta and to dev channel on the insiders, and probably will be making its way to standard install for everyone at some point this year. And they're saying that they might even improve upon this even more to make it even better. So at least it's a good step in the right direction. So you'll be able to name your user folder the way you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.